Hi there, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create pharyngeal resonance. This was actually requested by Maria Vogel, so if I can, Maria, I will tag you in this video. Thank you for your request. Pharyngeal resonance, I'll explain a bit more about it in a minute, but first of all, I just want to welcome everyone back to the channel, and if this is your first time, then welcome to the channel, and I hope to see you back very, very soon. I have something for everyone, so make sure that you click subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video if you're enjoying it, if you do enjoy it, and also share with other people that you think are going to benefit from this video. I do have hundreds of other videos. I've got something for everyone. If you're a contemporary singer, even if you delve into classical, there's something here for you. And if you're really serious about singing, I do recommend taking my free 5-day singing course. You can find it in the pinned comment or in the description. All you need to do is click the link there, pop in your details, and I'll send that directly to your inbox. So what is pharyngeal singing? Well, your pharynx is a part of your throat. It sits at the back, and this is where it's really great for mixed voice singing and for beginning to learn how to belt. It can be tricky because it is in the throat, but also we don't want to be singing from the throat. So we don't want to be using any throat muscles. We don't want to be using any of the muscles in there to try to make sounds. What we do is allow the sounds to take place in that area. And it's very, very simple to do in an exercise. When it becomes tricky is when you try and take it into a song. So do take it slowly. Keep coming back to this video because I'm going to give you 3 different exercises which are going to help you to advance from complete beginner to established singer. So you don't have to do every one of these exercises the first time you come to this video. Take your time, learn it step by step. This is the only way to develop really good, strong, powerful vocals, or strong, soft vocals, or a combination. So really take care of looking after your vocals. Don't try to run before you can walk because you don't want to cause any vocal strain and long-term damage. With pharyngeal singing, we can use a sound So in some exercises in the past, I've used sing, sung, sang. It doesn't matter what the word is or what the vowel before the ng is. I don't know why I did that, ng. That's actually what I should have done, ng. It's Now, Maria did actually ask if we could do pharyngeal singing instead of nasal singing, which we are doing, but you will feel some vibration in your nose because you're going to feel it a little bit in your mask, okay? Don't worry about that. It's not the same as the nee, very, very nasal sound that we do for twang, but it's So the first exercise we're going to do is on the word sing, but we're not holding the S and we're not holding the I. We're just holding the sound. So it's going to sound like this. Sing. Okay. So we're holding the I'm going to pulse it, and you're going to hold a continuous note. So it's not this. It's not sing. It's sing. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and sing. Sing. Breathe. Sing. Last one. And back down. Last one. And relax. We're going to sing that sound on a slide. So it's Now, of course, if this is too high for you, drop an octave. And if that octave is too low, then of course wait until we meet you, and then you can join us there. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, and It doesn't need to be loud. So you will be feeling a slight pressure behind your nose, but it's not the buzzy feeling that we get with twang. Keep going. Try not to add vibrato on the end, nice and straight when you're warming up and doing exercises. Last one. Now the third exercise is a little bit more advanced. We're going to sing Now what we really want here is to establish the feeling with the and carry it through on the R. So we're not dropping the feeling, we're not dropping the sound. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and I'll go a bit slower, sorry. And back down. Last one. So So if you incorporate this into your daily routine, you're going to find that pharyngeal singing comes much more easily, and that it really helps you to develop that mixed voice tone, that mixed voice technique. So I hope that you've enjoyed this. Do remember again to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, Maria, for requesting this one. I'll see you soon. Stay hydrated. Ciao!